Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is Sunday, July 28, 12 p.m. in the afternoon. So now this Scania truck now boss is the Scania communicator. This guy is RTC. This Scania communicator, like this is the RTC guys, is GPS. That is the GPS. So this GPS is not work because for this fault code guys, see, or fault code 1 2 3 4 must, if the GPS is working, all approved, but this one is only one approved. So we need to calibrate this one guys, because this GPS is not working. This one guys, this is the ID of the GPS, but the GPS is not working. So this is NTG truck 2022 models. Okay, I try to fix this. I will show you guys for how to fix this RTC now. So first I will stop the engine. I will stop the engine now, and then I on. Second, on, and then go here for the calibration. Go to calibration, communicator, yeah, and then next. See guys, so we need, if the next is showing, so press next. Restart. The Scania communicator has now started. Wait for 1 minute for the restart to complete. And then if next is showing here, so we try to click next. It's take time guys, just patience. Now I will do this spare parts programming now. Once this blue line is complete, so and then click the next here. Next is here, yeah. Now it's almost done. Okay, Scania communicator is restarting, please wait. So just a few seconds, just wait. Scania communicator is restarting. Wait, please wait. Okay. So spare parts programming was successful. So press exit to close the wizard. Okay. Please exit. And then now guys, we need to testing the connection for the Scania communicator. So press this one and press next. Testing error code job is not in progress. Okay, not finished. So we need to calibration again, and then so we need to check this one. If this one is completed, and then you press next again, and then you can show this is approved or still not approved.
دي क्या ले
تيكي
ليش ما في روح؟
لا هذا في
اول كيلومتر ما بيسوي
لا انا اسوي هذا interval for the change oil, but this GPS not working. See guys, the approve is only one, but the full code is still, so it means the GPS is not work. So we need to update this one guys. See, there's a USB. I need to update first this one, and then we will see.